Hi, in this short video we're going to take a look at Microsoft Word formula function, which is available inside Word tables. It's quite similar to formulas that you'll be used to in Excel, but unfortunately not quite as user-friendly or as powerful. If we look at this first table, we can see I have different rows with a different rate, number of days, and that's automatically calculating a total per line, and then ultimate total of all the line items. And these are all calculations with formulas. So if I come in now and change the days here, come over and update the total, we can see that that is now correct. Come to the bottom and update the total, and that is also correct. And then finally come across to the days and update those. As I say, not the friendliest way of working. There is a slightly easier way of using this functionality. So if I come in here and reduce this value, I can select the entire table and update it in one hit. And I'm doing those updates by pressing F9. You can also update each individual field by right-clicking on it. So how did I build this? I've got a partly created table at the bottom here. So I'm going to first off put my total in for my car row. I'm going to go up to the layout ribbon while I'm in the table. So this is the table layout. I'm going to click formula. You can see initially it wants to sum everything to the left. Well, I actually want it to multiply or create the product if use the mathematical term, which is what the formula runs from. I'm also going to take this opportunity to specify a format that I want the result to be in. Hit OK, and we can see that that's now multiplied to 6 by 10. We'll prove that's working by changing and updating the field. That's great too. Moving on to the next field. When we go into here, we'll see this time it's automatically gone for the above statement. So again, I need to change this to product, but this time I also need to say I want to product everything on the left. If I don't include a number format, we can see that it does still work, but this isn't particularly pleasing to the eye. So I'm going to come back in, right clicking, edit field, and I'm going to change it to the format that I would like in this document, which is great. If I click in the total column down here, we'll click another formula in, and we can see this one is actually defaulted to sum above, which is perfect. We don't worry about the format for a regular number, so that's okay. And then come in here and put a formula in here. Again, sum is good, but we don't want to sum the things on the left. We want to sum everything above. And again, don't forget the number format. Okay, so there we go. That is a really quick introduction to formulas in Word. There are more advanced functions you can do with the formulas, and you can reference specific cells in formulas, but gets quite complicated and it's not the most friendly, so I've leaving that out of this video. I hope it was helpful.